Okay, in this case I use a PowerPoint presentation for my quiz. Um, the first slide consists in the cover of the quiz. In this case I use irregular verbs in the simple past as my topic. Then the direction is select the correct irregular verbs in the simple past. Okay, in the next slide I use this. Is the correct because this slideshow when select my correct answer and I use this emoji. Then the slide number 3 is incorrect. Then the slide number 4 and the following slide is the first question. Okay, continue with my questions. Then the final slide I use this because it is the end of the quiz. Okay, the first step is start with my cover. In this case my format in my computer is in Spanish. Select insertar formas and I look this botones de acción. I select this and paste my border. Then automatically show configuraciones de la acción. I use hipervínculo, diapositiva siguiente, but in this case I use this because hipervínculo present a different option, but I use this diapositiva. Okay, and show the whole slide of my quiz and select the slide number 4 because it's my first question and aceptar. Okay, continue and then repeat the process. Insertar formas, botones de acción, paste my board and show this hipervínculo, but in this case I don't use diapositivas. I use this última diapositiva mostrada and aceptar and repeat the process. Insertar formas. In this case I use this word because incorrect answer return to the questions and select hipervínculo and última diapositiva mostrada and aceptar. Okay, I continue with the question. In this case the process is the same. I use insertar formas, botones de acción, select my board, paste, then hipervínculo. In this case use this format, diapositiva siguiente. And aceptar. Then I show 4 options for my quiz. In this case I paste my option in this format. You can find this option format and I use this rectángulos. Then select my correct answer. In this case is this is the correct answer. And select and look hipervínculo. Then use show me different option, but in this case use this lugar de este documento and show the slide, but I look the correct slide and is this the slide number 2. Why? Because when I select this option show me this slide and aceptar and repeat the process with the other option, hipervínculo, but in this case, in the correct answer is this, and aceptar, and repeat the process. Select number 3, aceptar, and the next one, and aceptar, and repeat the process in the all questions, my question. Okay, when I show of the M, present this slide and use the same process, insertar formas, botones de acción, and I use, in this case, I use this. En primera diapositiva mostrada. And aceptar. Okay? I finish my quiz and I'll show how it works. F5. Okay. Okay, I start my quiz. Okay, next. And the first question is incorrect. Incorrect. My answer is incorrect. But when select the correct answer, show me this is the correct. Okay. Then continue and show me the first question, and I continue with the second question. Is the correct answer. Then the next, finish my quiz and select this and show me the first slide. Okay, I continue with that quiz. In this case, I use Excel, and the first step is organize my quiz with my questions. The first, I use the name of the topic. In this case, I use part of the house, then the name of the student, and this is my first question. Second question, in this case, only use 2 questions with 3 options. Then in the different cells, I use response, then feedback, and the other cells use points. Okay. When I have my questions, when I finish all this, I continue with the second step. In this case, I use a formula. This is my formula, but my format is in Spanish. For that reason, my formula is in Spanish. Okay? And the formula being this. Igual si, abro paréntesis, D6 is myself, this, because in these cells I use answer, I use for the answer. Then igual, abro comillas, B, igual, coma, abro comillas, correct, cierro comillas, Y, B, because the letter B is my correct answer. Then continue, coma, si, abro comillas, abro paréntesis, D6 igual, abro comillas, A igual, coma, abro comillas, incorrect, cierro comillas, Y letter A is incorrect because in this case there is my correct answer. Then continue, coma, si, abro paréntesis, D6 igual, abro comillas, C, cierro comillas, coma, abro comillas, try again, because there's no is my correct answer, cierro comillas, comma, abro comillas, enter your option, cierro comillas, and close the three parentheses because I open three parentheses, 1, 2, and 3, and final, close the three parentheses. Okay, and this is my result. Then when I put letter 8, it is incorrect. Letter C is trying again, and letter B is the correct answer. Okay, continue. In this case, only copy this responding feedback and paste of the second question. Like this. It's easier. Then continue with the formula. There is necessary copy a question by question to question. In this case, only copy and paste the formula. But in this case, change my answer, because the answer in the second question is letter B, is letter C. Then letter A is incorrect, and change letter C, and letter B is incorrect. And this is letter A, incorrect, letter B, letter B, sorry, let's try again, and letter C is the correct. Okay, then continue with the second formula. In this case, use the other formula, but is this. In the next cell for the points, I use a different formula. Is igual contar puntos si, abro paréntesis, E is the this column, is the all columns, comma, abro comillas, correct, cierro comillas, and close parenthesis. In this, why use this formula? Because in this case, Excel puts a point for the correct answer. In this case, my correct answer is letter B, and it's 1 point. The second question, my answer is letter C, it's 2 points, and this is the work. Then when I finish all this, continue with this. In this case, I use left click formato de celda, en formato de celda y proteger, en bloquear. In this case, it is bloquear, and aceptar. And I use repeat the state, proteger, desbloquear, then formato de celda, desbloquear, and aceptar. Only in the name and the cell of the student put a answer. Only this. Okay. Then use el diseño de página, líneas de división, quitar, and look. And finally, revisar, proteger hoja, only seleccionar celdas desbloqueables, only that, and use a contraseña. In this case I use Excel, Excel repeats contraseña and use this, and microwave work this, the name, okay, then the answer only, the answer is letter B, okay, and the next one is the letter C, okay, and the points.